Zero needles, zero downtime. Very comfortable. It's tightening, it's lifting. So today we're doing Oligio.
Yes.
And this is a treatment that I suggested that you may like because there's no needles. So I'm a big chicken and I'm afraid of pain. So I thought you would like this because it's very, very comfortable.
Yeah.
I did it myself and very comfortable. Just feel like you're feeling a hot stone massage.
Okay.
So, and I think in the past you mentioned you did some thermage, is that right?
I've tried thermage before,
How many years ago was that?
3 or 4 years ago, and it was painful.
Right.
Yeah, they did the numbing, but there were certain spots where I could definitely feel
Like
the
it was
intensity.
hot, intense.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
It was like shooting, spasms.
Yeah, I've heard of that too. So thermage is similar technology. This is called monopolar radiofrequency. So we're bulking the skin, we're causing collagen stimulation, and we're causing skin tightening and lifting. So Oligio in Korean means lifting. So translated in English means lifting. So that's what it's doing. It's tightening, it's lifting, and we're bulking the skin. In fact, we don't even numb. You said you had numbing with thermage?
Yeah, so it was just like the gel numbing. There were certain areas, kind of like near the bone,
Right.
where it was like, ooh, I was flinching.
Yeah. So when you say near the bone, those are the areas that have bony prominence. But so there's a little bit less fat pad versus when here there's less bone, there's more tissue. So yeah, when you're near the bone, a little bit more sensitive. We actually want you to be able to tell us, hey, it's getting hot, it's getting warm. We want that biofeedback. It's not warm, then it's not working. So we want you to feel that warmth, and it shouldn't be more than like a 2 to 3 out of 10. It should be warm and comfortable, and you see the results immediately, and you also see peak results in 4 to 6 weeks. And then from my assessment, when we were looking at your face earlier, we did notice, you look great. How old are you now?
43.
43. So this is the perfect age. You're starting to see some changes, but you're still way young to undergo anything sort of invasive, right? And we talk about other things we do in the office. We do threads, we do lace, we do endo lifts, and I know you've been a little apprehensive.
Especially about threads.
Yeah.
Right, just because, it's the whole needle and the thing.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, it's a little bit more involved than
Right.
this, and so that's why I recommended this. And so it's going to lift and tighten. The results are going to last somewhere between like 6 to 12 months. I have it in my office, so I'm going to try to do it as much as I can. But I think you're going to love it because you're going to see instantaneous lift. We actually do what's called a halftime show, where after we finish half of the face, we'll sit you up and you'll look at it, and you can see immediately, like one side of the face is like up and the other side is like still dangling down.
Yeah.
It's quite impressive. Like you'll see it right away. Okay, and then you continue to see improvement as time goes on.
Excited.
Zero needles, zero downtime. You can go to work like an hour from now, no one's gonna feel you tell.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
Sounds good.
Let's get
Perfect.
started, okay? Awesome.
I'm excited.